Hi friends, welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today's going to be extra juicy because we're making a big, colorful bunch of our favorite fruits. That's right, we're featuring a strawberry, banana, apple, grapes, watermelon, and cherries. And while we draw in color, we'll learn some super cool facts about each one. If you love fruity fun, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a video. Let's begin with the strawberry. Did you know strawberries wear their seeds on the outside? Each strawberry has about 200 tiny seeds that you can see with your eyes. So cool, right? Next comes the banana, which isn't just yummy. It's also a little surprising because bananas are actually classified as berries. And bananas don't grow on trees. They grow on giant plants that look like trees but aren't. Whoa! Which one would you eat first, the sweet strawberry or the bendy banana? Let's imagine walking through a magical fruit garden. Apples are falling into soft grass with a crunchy thud. Bananas sway in the breeze like little yellow boats. And the strawberries are snuggled under green leaves, waiting for a snack-loving squirrel to find them. If you had a fruit garden, which fruits would grow there? Would it be rainbow apples? Square watermelons? Maybe dancing cherries?
Yes!
Let's learn about grapes. They grow in bunches and can be green, red, purple, or even almost black. Some are round, some are oval, and all are super juicy. Here's the apple. Apples float in water because they're made of 25% air. That's why they bob at Halloween parties. And then there's the watermelon, the superhero of summer. It's over 90% water, which makes it perfect on a hot, sunny day. Ever had a slice so big it needed 2 hands to hold? Let's not forget cherries. These little red cuties often come in pairs, hanging from their green stems. They grow on trees and are full of juicy fun. Look at this colorful bunch. Fruits come in so many shapes, sizes, and colors, and they all have their own personalities. Can you remember one cool thing we learned today? Strawberry seeds are on the outside. Bananas are berries. Apples float. Grapes grow in bunches. Watermelons are super watery. Cherries grow in pairs on trees. What's your favorite fruit to draw or eat? Hey, we finished our fruity masterpiece and learned some amazing facts along the way. You did such a great job drawing and coloring with us. Give yourself a round of applause. If you had fun, give us a big fruity thumbs up and subscribe so we can draw and learn together again next time. Bye for now, fruit friends. Stay colorful and curious.